Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to the city of Dresden. And this is another side of the view. This is the old city. Tignan mo naman yung castle doon. Ganda, no? Baroque style. So yung buti hindi napuruhan ng war nila, so na-maintain pa nila. Look, tingnan mo. Actually 2002 meron daw bridge dyan at umapaw yung kanilang nagkaroon ng malaking pagbaha, so nasira yung bridge dyan, kaya so ngayon kinoconstruct nila ata uli. Look at that, ang ganda.